A very pleasant morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to English online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope all my dear children are doing well and safe at home. Yes? Okay children, let's begin our today's session. Today let's continue with our poem Shopping for Time. We'll discuss the question answers of the poem Shopping for Time. Okay? So, what is the name of our poet children who has written the poem Shopping for Time? It is Santini Govindan. Okay, so what is the poem about? The speaker of this poem is the poetess herself, Santini Govindan. What she shares with us children, she tells that if there is a store or if there is a shop which sells time, we have seen several kinds of shops, right? Different kinds of shops that sells groceries, that sells stationeries or clothes, textile shops and all, right? But have you ever seen such a shop that sells time? So she says that if there is such a shop that sells time, she would be the regular customer in that shop. Why? Why she would go to that store or go to that shop quite often? Because she wants to buy time. And why she needs extra time? Because she's always running short of time, because she's not getting enough time to complete her activities. Maybe she's not getting enough time to play with her friends. Maybe she's not getting enough time to sit and relax in her house and all. So she needs extra time. For that she would visit that store which sells time quite often. Okay, but one thing that she won't buy from the store, and that is Monday mornings. She would buy Sunday afternoons and she would buy sunny summer days, summer vacation and all, okay, but she won't buy Monday mornings. We already mentioned in our last class about Monday morning blues, right? Yes. What is Monday morning blues? It is the laziness that we feel. As we know, the weekends are already over here. The weekends that we get is on Saturday and Sunday, right? So when the weekends are over, we all know that we had to resume, we had to go to our school, right? Or the parents, they had to resume the work. So when the week starts or when the Monday starts, she knows that she would have to work throughout the week. Throughout the week, she would be very busy. So she doesn't like Monday mornings. So she has that feelings, Monday morning blues. Blues is kind of a sad feeling. It may be because you are lazy, or it may be because that you are not interested to work, or it may be because you are not interested to go to school. So it's a sad feeling. Now let's move on to the question answers. The first question, who do you think is the speaker of this poem and why? So when we read the lines of this poem, we felt that it might be a little child. It might be the desires or wish of a little child, right? And how did we come to know that it is a little child? Because of the expressions like she would like to lay lazily in bed, and she would also like to buy Sunday afternoons and sunny summer days, just like the children do. Let's move on to the second question. I'd be a regular customer there, Who would be the speaker be a regular customer? Which shop would she like to go quite often? The speaker would be a regular customer at a shop which sells time, if there was a shop somewhere. So she would be visiting the shop which sells time quite often. The second question, why would she be a regular customer there? And why she would go to that shop quite often, children? She would be a regular customer there so that she could buy all kinds of time that she could use and enjoy, such as extra minutes and Sunday afternoons. So all kinds of time means she could buy extra minutes. She could buy extra 5 or 10 minutes, or she could buy Sunday afternoons and sunny days so that she can stretch her hours. The third question, why does the speaker want a few extra minutes? The speaker wants a few extra minutes so that she can make her hours longer. This would give her more time in bed in the mornings. So when she gets that extra 5 or 10 minutes, she could lay lazily in the bed in the mornings. The fourth question, for just a few precious minutes more, what would be the speaker do with a few precious minutes? So what would she do with that extra minutes? The speaker wants to sleep a little longer with those few precious minutes She could also use them to finish work or play longer. So, with that extra minutes that she gets from that shop, she can stretch her hours, right? She can make her hours longer so that she could finish her work and she could also play with her friends or relax at her home. Now, the next question, how could a few minutes be precious? When we are running late for something, even a few minutes could be extremely helpful. We often do not get extra time when we need it, right? So, even a few minutes can seem precious to us. So, when we are running short of time, or if we are not getting enough time, or we are late for any work, then those precious minutes will be very useful to us. The next question, what are the other kinds of time that she wants? The speaker also wants lazy Sunday afternoons and sunny summer days because she doesn't like Monday mornings and she wants to extend her Sunday. She wants to make her Sundays longer so that she will buy Sunday afternoons and also sunny summer days. The last and the sixth question of this poem, what kind of time does she not want and why? The speaker does not want Monday mornings because it reminds her of all the work she has to do. The entire week lies ahead, right? So she doesn't like Monday mornings. I hope you understood all the question answers. Children, I hope you understood the poem very well. So read the poem once again. Do download the notes that are attached. Study the notes and also attempt the test. So that's all for today. Let's conclude the session. See you in the next session.